Good afternoon.
Hi, good afternoon. Can I speak to John?
John has just left the office, I'm afraid.
Okay, just double checking then. He is sales director, yeah?
He is, yes.
Brilliant. Okay. So when is the best time to get hold of him?
Who's calling, please?
The name's Shea, and I'm calling about sales training.
About sales training?
Yeah.
Right, Shea. I think the best way for you to get hold of John is send him an email, and if he is interested, then he will respond.
Okay. Although if
Or actually,
yeah.
probably more new sales national accounts manager, so he'll be probably.
Oh no, because he wouldn't have the decision-making authority, would he? It would probably.
Is it the sales training as a training the sales force?
Oh, let me explain it to you properly. So, because obviously I haven't made it clear. So I run a company which supplies bespoke sales training. I want to talk to John about his sort of recovery plans moving forward out of COVID, out of this COVID period, and see if and where sales training factors in that plan. So that's really the conversation I want to have with him. Did you say he's not available today all day?
He's not. He's just left the office, and I wouldn't be able to put you through anyway because all the phone calls are directed to my mobile.
Okay.
Yeah, so listening to what you've got to say, I would say this wouldn't apply to us really because we actually are not affected badly. We keep meeting the budget target. We are okay.
Are you in the sales team yourself?
Sorry?
Are you part of the sales team?
Sorry, you're cracking up. Can you say again?
I'm sorry. Do you work in the sales team?
I do work in a sales team, yeah.
Brilliant. Okay. So, and so what? Sorry, I didn't catch your name.
My name is.
Meet you. So in sales yourself, how many of you are there in the team then?
So it's 1, 2, 3 people in the sales team, and then obviously we've got some admin workers who are supporting us.
Okay. And do you guys go? Are you field based normally or office based?
I'm office based, and when it comes to you guys, they are all both office and field based, but mainly office. We are quite unique, so we actually look after major key accounts like school station, full station, Travis Park in 2 weeks. So we actually don't go to the fields and we don't sell to to retailers or we deal mainly with that sort of account. So
Yeah, no, that makes perfect sense. I totally understand that structure. That's great. So, all right. Well, look, what I'll do, as you kindly suggested, I'll email John and see if we can hook up a conversation at some point. That was great, though. Thank you, Millie. Thank you for your time. It's nice talking to you. Good luck and stay safe.
Right, and you. Thank you so much for your call.
Take care now. Bye-bye.
Cheers, bye.
So what you'll notice there in that conversation, when this person said to me a couple of times they're not interested, I didn't not acknowledge it. I did acknowledge it, but I didn't surrender to it. So there is a difference. You can acknowledge and not surrender to things like that. And the reason I did that was because she, as lovely as that person was on the phone, she wasn't trying to be awkward or anything. She just was making a judgment call. Perhaps from where she sits, it's not something they need. But you know, we all know that sometimes that's not kind of the bigger picture view. So, but I didn't want to lose her respect and ignore her thoughts about it, because you never know when these people are valuable to you and how much of an influence that person might be. So it is really important to stay friendly, make sure you're still respectful, Make sure that you still sound enthusiastic about wanting to talk to them and listen to them. Remain sincere and, you know, be honest. There, I've just spelt out fresh for you.